In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email or export reports and dashboards in HubSpot. We'll walk through this step by step so you can quickly share the data and insights your team needs without having to manually download or copy anything every time. By the end, you'll know how to send individual reports as well as full dashboards, either as one-off emails or on a recurring schedule. First, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look over to the main navigation and find the reporting section. Hover over the reporting icon, then click on Reports. This will take you to your list of available reports. From this list, choose the specific report you want to email or export and open it. On the Reports page, look to the top right corner for the Actions button. Click that, and from the drop-down menu, select the option that says Share Via. When you do this, a panel will slide open on the right-hand side of your screen. In this panel, choose Email, then click Next. Here, you can decide whether you want this email to be recurring, for example, daily, weekly, or monthly, or if you just want to send it one time. HubSpot requires you to add at least one internal recipient, so start by entering the colleagues inside your organization who should receive this report. Under Attach Downloadable File, you can choose whether you want no attachment or select a file format such as a spreadsheet or PDF, depending on what's available for that report. You can also add additional external recipients if needed, as long as your account permissions allow it. Then customize the email subject so it clearly describes the report, and add a short message to explain what they're receiving or why it matters. When everything looks good, click Send Now, and HubSpot will handle the rest. Next, let's look at how to email a full dashboard instead of a single report. Once again, hover over the reporting section, but this time choose Dashboards. This opens the dashboard view where you'll see all the reports grouped together. In the top right of the dashboard, click the Share button, then select Email this dashboard from the drop-down. A panel will slide open on the right, similar to what you saw with individual reports. Here, choose whether this email should be recurring or a one-time send. Add your required internal recipients, and optionally add others. Edit the email subject so it clearly matches the dashboard. In the attachment section, choose No Attachment, or pick a file format if you want a downloadable version. You can also decide whether to include all reports within the dashboard or only select specific ones. Once you've set up the recipients, subject, message, attachments, and report selection, click Send Now. And that's it. You've learned how to email or export both individual reports and complete dashboards in HubSpot.